all good now. They say bird gon' yak, bird gon' cook. You better hold it tight, cause your bitch will get took. Hold up, hold up.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. You are now watching I Stay Jocking. I don't know why my voice got so high. I'm trying something new to put a TV in here. Now today what we're gonna do is we will be installing.
Did I do that?
We'll be installing the E85 in the Camaro. Okay, E85, got the pulley ordered and got the air intake, which again is so much louder. That's enough. That put me hopefully for a decent number. Again, remember 650 is the stock number, 650 horsepower, 650 feet-pound of torque. What I want to do is get back to the 650 flat. Right now, if you tune the stock Zl1, whether it's manual or automatic, you're going to lose because that's crank, that's not actually wheels. So you're probably going to lose and put down maybe 551. I've seen numbers 560, maybe even lower 540s, depending. I just want the 650 horsepower number back. And believe it or not, so Mr. Zl1 Luso is supposedly on his way. We'll go ahead and jump to that when he shows up. So thank you guys, stay tuned if you want to see how the install go. This time I'll record it. We did it on his car last time. And actually I did most of the work, bro. Tell the truth, I did. And now he's going to help me out, but the install should be even better. Needle nose pliers, that's what we need. On this loud for nothing. As you guys can see here, the MIC 3000 capper has arrived, and he actually did show up. Finally made it, ass car. Didn't even know where to go. Look at him. Didn't even know where to go, bro. Past the house. That man fresh off of work. What's up, baby? What's up with you? Yeah. And we still didn't get the pliers. It's all good. Alright, so we got the kit from Lethal Garage. Shout out to them. We have the... I'm not going to pretend I know the names of this shit. Alright, so we just got an extra fuel line. We're going to run it off. We have the E85 sensor itself. We're going to have the fucking... What is it? The sensor line run into the box itself, and then we're gonna connect this shit. What is this bullshit called again? The power, the fucking ground. Okay, ground cord. Same thing, I guess. And then yeah, it should be simple, plain and simple. It even comes with this plastic fitting to go ahead and remove the original fucking fuel line from the motor. So we'll see how it looks. So let me give you guys a quick stock look. We'll zoom in. Alright, so again, fuel line is right there. And what we're going for, I'm glad I got an example today, is the aftermarket right there. As you can see, check the yellow tag out. So we're just going to go ahead and go around. Originally, we had stick that in the back because, you know what I'm saying, we wanted to stay stock, look stock all day. But I get it. You don't want fuel doing a big-ass loop to come back through. Just want a straight circle and let gravity do its thing. You know, this be the hardest part out is trying to get the sensor off. Again, so the main sensor right now for the fuel, or actually I think this is actually for the power. Yeah, that runs to the box to let us, you know, for the fuel sensor. This is for power. We pretty much just need to pull this one out, stick this one, oh, let me flip this one in, and then this one is gonna just go back right in here. You gotta trick the system. That's all it is with these damn cars, is tricking the system. And then this is gonna run to the back as well. Like I said, sensor is plugged in. We got the second one down here, running the line through, just trying to make it look neat. We're gonna hook it up back here when we put the fuel line in and the sensor. And then the second, we'll try to run it up front like so, and jump the box. I gotta move the box. I loosened up the fuel box already. So as you can see, shit's pretty loose. Just gotta pull it out. You can't really remove it because everything's still connected. But you can pull up and pull out because we're gonna have to access this baby right here. All right, my neighbor for the win. We got some needle nose. Again, we gotta take out 38, right? So if you guys can see, it'll be a little bit of wind noise, but I'm hot, so y'all gotta deal with it. Come on, focus. All right, so this is 1 through 16. This is 1 through 16 through 32. And then, so we start at 32, we're gonna count 33, 34, 35, all the way to the back. If we count 35 probably won't focus, so I won't even mess it up too much. But there is a plastic, let me pull it over. You guys will see these little plastic things right here that's filling out for the empty fuses. We're gonna pull the plastic, then we are going to take this, insert this inside of that. You just need needle nose so you can actually put some force behind it and get it to pop through. Alright, so plugged it in, we ran it through. You can make it how you want to make it look. I ran the lines down here. Now I just twisted it around, made it look pretty to the best of my ability until we hook this up. Next step is to take the fuel line off. As you can see, boop, it's not that easy, but it is that easy. Use a needle nose. It sits like this. Alright, so for my Z01 people, rotate this from, you can go clockwise if you want. Rotate it, it's gonna sit this way. You wanna rotate it, I said a good 180 degrees like so, and then pop it backwards, and then it's gonna go ahead and fall off. The reason is you have a clamp down here by the fuel line, and you're not gonna be able to get it off because that clamp gets in the way. But if you rotate it and pull it off through the back, you will be able to do so. So now I got the clamp off. Let me open this up. We're gonna stick that in, and it's supposed to say like you just push it down and push back up. It's a nozzle. There's two security clips to get it off. So let's see how it looks, how it works. I'm sure, but let's try it. Just missed it. I died. We pulled it off. It looked like shit right now, but we'll flip it later or whatever. Still, it's about like 2-3 weeks out before I ever probably get it tuned. So it is what it is. All right, the shop can handle that. But the sensor's connected. I'm gonna start it. See if my fuel lines don't pop off. I dropped the emergency or the safety pin for it. That looks like I'm gonna have to eBay a new one because it fell under the block. Unless it's in wires. I don't know. We'll see. And then I'm water because I have fuel all over the headers. And we'll see. Or I'll give it 5 minutes. Fuel evaporates. Anyways, that shit's gonna evaporate out. We'll give it a while. Cause that like straight death. E85 is set in. We'll wait for that tune. But until then, we're going to jump into Zl1 Loso. Go ahead and check him out, guys. Show some love. Let him know you are coming from the channel.
I'm willing to die for this shit. I'm ready to flip and end up in prison the rest of my life for this shit. So my mama ain't want me, she got an abortion, I end up surviving this shit. And if I want a son, I ain't got the money, I probably